First, we set up the network. Please note that the computer and mobile phone must be set to the same network to use. 1. Open the Moonlight AppKey installation file on the mobile phone. We accept the necessary permissions and install it directly. After the installation is complete, we open Moonlight. At this time, it prompts to enter the IP address of the computer to be streamed. Let's keep this mobile page first and check the IP address of the computer. 2. Use the keyboard Win+R shortcut key to open the search bar and enter CMD. Open the command prompt window, enter ipconfig/all, and then press enter to find the IP address of the machine. Return to the mobile page and fill in the IP address just found. On the mobile phone, we will get a 4-digit Sunshine PIN code. Let's keep this mobile page first and use it later. 3. Sunshine can be found on its official website on Google. There are many different versions to choose from. You can also use the version we provide to install directly. 4. Turn off the antivirus software first, double-click the application, and proceed to the next step. The default installation location will be installed after a while. The pop-up web page can be closed directly. We find the icon in the lower right corner of the screen to open Sunshine. Click Advanced, click Proceed to localhost, unsafe, and come to the registration page. We set an account and password. After completion, click Login and enter the account and password just set again. Click Sign In. 5. Click the PIN at the top of the page. Sunset, enter the 4-digit number we just got on our mobile phone, and click Send to complete the computer and mobile phone streaming settings.